y'all. So today we're going to be doing a face painting video, although I'm doing it on my hand, so we could also call it body painting. As we all know, it is the 4th of July, also known as Independence Day, also known as America's birthday. And what is one of the favored traditions of this holiday? Fireworks. So I'm going to show you how to do fireworks using face paint. Again, I'm doing this on my hand, but you could do this somewhere like on your cheeks or like around your eye, but not too close to your eye. You do it on your shoulder, on your ankle, whatever. Anyway, we're going to do some like red, white, and blue, but my red is going to be a little more sparkly than it is poppy. It looks almost pink, but it's just because of all the sparkles in it. So I'm going to use this lovely blue first. And I want to choose like a center point to just press down on somewhere. And I'm going to pull out, and as I pull away, I'm going to lift away from the skin as well. And you want it almost like a little curve. And you see, right now it just kind of looks like whiskers, so we're going to do one going straight up, like that. Boom. Boom. All the way around. Have them curving in all kinds of fun directions. You can layer them, stack them up on top of each other. Have some starting a little further out from the center. Okay, I think that's all the blue I want, just so that you can see. So next, I'm going to go ahead and do this like shiny red that I have. If you have just like a straight red, that works great too. And so I'm just going to, again, start from the middle and pull out. Boom. And I'm going to try to pull some in areas where the skin is not covered yet, and some we're just layering on top of the blue. And it's the exact same technique as we did with the blue. What a beautiful firework. Alright, so the final one we're going to do is the white. And what I like to do with the white is maybe just a few like little sparks around the edges and get some a little bit closer in, but I definitely want these like a little bit smaller. Like that. And then with just like a few dots randomly placed, like sparkles that you can see crackling in the sky. And there's your fireworks. If you feel like you got too many dots, just turn them into small lines. And there you have it. And here's a little trick I've learned from years of dance and other things. If you really want like your face or body paint to have a better chance of staying and not like sweat off or have a water balloon hit it and get completely smeared or whatever, when you're done and you're completely satisfied with how it looks, cover it with like a little hairspray. Now, I would not do this on the face, or if you do, not anywhere near the eyes, because that's dangerous. But definitely like on your hand or whatever, it's fine. It will feel sticky, but that's alright. So just one last look. We've got fireworks on our hands. Happy 4th of July, everybody. We'll see you next time.